This GOB indoor folding poster display is designed for premium indoor visual presentation. It features GOB encapsulation for enhanced protection against impact, dust and moisture. The foldable structure allows easy setup, transport and storage. Its slim integrated design delivers a modern and elegant appearance. High brightness and contrast ensure clear, vivid images at close viewing distances. Plug-and-play installation simplifies operation and maintenance. The screen adopts GOB technology, anti-collision, moisture-proof, dust-proof, screen surface waterproof. The folding poster LED display supports USB Ethernet, Wi-Fi, HDMI cabinet connection, power cable plug and play, perfect for most retail stores, hotels, exhibitions and showrooms.